Bangladesh and Australia are set to take part in the third game of the 5-match T20I series on Friday, August 6 at the Sher-e-Bangla National Stadium. The Tigers are on a roll as they have already taken a 2-0 lead in the series with a thumping 5 victory on Wednesday night in Dhaka. In this video, you will get the weather report, pitch report, stadium states, team news, Dream 11 prediction, head-to-head records, venue, match date, match and toss timings, live telecast about the third T20I match between Australia vs Bangladesh starting from 6th August. Let's start. The Bangladesh vs Australia third T20I match will be played at Sher-e-Bangla Stadium at 5:30 pm Indian time and 6 pm local time. Bangladesh team tentative playing 11 for third T20I match. Mohammad Naeem Sheikh, Shomya Sarkar, Saqib Al Hasan, Captain Mohammedullah Riyad, Afif Hossain Dhruvo, Mehdi Hassan, wicketkeeper Nurul Hassan Sohan, Samim Hossain Patwari, Shariful Islam, Mustafizur Rahman and Naseem Ahmed. Australia team tentative playing 11 for third T20I match. Alex Carey, captain and wicketkeeper Matthew Wade, Mitchell Marsh, Josh Philippe, Moses Henricks, Ashton Turner, Ashton Agha, Mitchell Starc, Adam Zampa, Josh Hazelwood and Andrew Tye. The Bangladesh vs Australia third T20I match will be played at Sher-e-Bangla National Stadium, Dhaka. Head-to-head states. Overall, both teams have played 6 international T20I matches, out of which Bangladesh have won 2 matches and Australia have won 4 matches. In Bangladesh, total 3 matches have been played, out of which Bangladesh have won 2 matches and Australia have won 1 match. Stadium states. The states of Sher-e-Bangla Stadium says that total 46 international T20I matches have been played, out of which the batting first team have won 23 matches and the bowling team first have also won 23 matches. The average first inning score in the stadium is 151 runs and the average second inning score in the stadium is 130 runs. The highest total recorded was 211 for 4 wickets by Bangladesh and the lowest total recorded was 72 for all out by Afghanistan. The highest score staged by 194 for 4 by Sri Lanka and the lowest score defended was 129 for 8 in 20 over by Sri Lanka. Venue details and history. These are all the history and details of Sher-e-Bangla National Stadium, Dhaka. Pitch report. The pitch in Mirpur has been a tough one for batting until now. Another low-scoring game seems to be on the cards for Friday. In the last game, the bowlers were seen bringing out their towels due to the presence of dew. Hence, batting second is an option for the teams. The batters are again expected to find it tough. Weather report. The forecast suggests that there are 80% chances of rain on the match day. The forecast was similar for the first and second T20I as well, but the rain didn't interrupt the match. Hopefully, the forecast remains incorrect for the third Bangladesh vs Australia T20I as well. Toss time and playing time. The toss of the match between Australia vs Bangladesh will be played at 5 pm and the playing time will start at 5:30 pm Indian time. Live telecast and live streaming. Indian fans can watch the Bangladesh vs Australia 30 T20I matches live on the FanCode app. The matches are set to be telecasted on Fox Sports in Australia. In Bangladesh, the matches will be telecasted on Ghazi TV, TV Sports and BTV. So, after all the analysis, the match prediction is Australia will win this match. So, according to you, who will win this match? Comment down. Thank you. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.